data, but it's like, what are you talking about? Why would you do that?
People are gonna see my dry ass, rough ass hands.
Rough ass, dry ass, rough ass.
Punk ass. Bitch ass. Oh, you're recording that? Sorry.
Oh.
Can chickens have cinnamon?
Yeah.
They can?
Uh-huh.
You guys want this?
Hi, baby. Dog.
Oh, they like it. You guys like it?
Baby down. Indya! I want to eat. Wow.
I'm just giving this to the chicken.
Why do chickens get to eat? You feed the chickens before you feed me?
Yes. Big dog, cock! Give them my chicken.
Cute chickens. Really good lighting right here for the camera. So good. Yeah. It's bright, but it's very diffused.
Even though there's a million bees in it.
And flies.
And
flies.
And flies, yeah. You want me to explain what I'm doing?
Okay.
So, I'm about to cut this board. It's going to be at the top of the Sawhorse table thing that I'm making. Let's see.
What saw is this?
I don't know. It's a circular saw.
That's what I call it too.
Yeah.
So Skills is the name of
Is a brand.
And I learned that too.
Yeah. So, let's see if we can do this. There's the cut. No, it's not the absolute straightest cut because I'm still learning how to use the saw, but he's alright. So I'm going to have to unscrew this side of it because I cut that board in half so that I can use it for two tables. Helps to screw it into a 2x4 on top of your Sawhorse so that it doesn't move, so you don't have to use a bunch of clamps. But I also need to mark the lines that I'm going to be cutting.
What line are you going to cut?
The 15-degree angle. So I'm going to use this stick here that I cut off of the 2x4 yesterday. Because it's pretty straight. This isn't true. It's basically true, which means like straight. So it's pretty good to me. So I'm gonna use the factory side, the factory edge. I'm also gonna have to screw this 2x4 into the table.
Why?
So that it doesn't wobble.
Well, that's what you were saying, Mitch said. No!
So I have to cut the length
That?
of this
Oh.
for each one,
Why?
so I can make more.
Oh, you're cutting it into multiple! Oh! Now I'm caught up.
I don't know how many I can make out of this board because it's shorter
Looks like 3.
than what I had. I think you're right.
Ooh, barely 3. Look at that.
Actually,
On the
that's
precipice.
pretty perfect.
Precipice of 3. Wobbledy wobbledy wobble
Oh, the
wobble.
screw.
Screw is so bent now. Cable the wobble.
Oh, that- that was so easy. It's gonna be for a miniature sawhorse, so that's actually a pretty good cut.
Look at that.
It's better than the cuts I made yesterday. Alright.
Yeah, I'll bring the camera this.
Yeah, that's on it. Alright, we're gonna find some big boards to cut into legs for the sawhorse. Here's a good one. All of this is basically salvaged wood from different projects and structures that I took the screws out of or disassembled or whatever the case. I saved them so that I could use them later for whatever random project I decided to do. And these fence boards came off of the fence over there. Neighbor built a new fence. So I salvaged all the old wood. A lot of it is still pretty good. Some of it is just totally rotten. A little straight edge. Now, I have to find the mark I just made. Wait, where did I put that mark?
What does it look like?
Pencil. Pencil line?
Is it that one?
Where? Where are you seeing it? Oh, thank you. I'm blind as a bat. You know what else I need? Oh, can you hand me my measuring tape? So, because I'm using this old wood, I use wood glue with the screws to make sure that it's secure. Also using older screws too, but what's not wanting it? And because David's here, he's gonna help me hold this. So this is upside down, of course. I usually put it like this after I glue it. And I'll hold it there for, a couple seconds.
Look at it. That's a wonderful garden sawhorse.
Who is she? She's sleek. She's rustic. I'm dead.
That's so good.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, that's awesome, Lois. Yeah, let's put them all up here now.
Oh, yeah.